Hi everybody, this is Swagat again, and if you have followed my first tutorial, then it is the second tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to tell you about the basic structure or frame of HTML. So first of all, in HTML, in the beginning of each HTML phase there is a declaration called doc type declaration. So you have to write doc type HTML. So this is the doc type you have to declare in the first line of every HTML document. This is the beginning of HTML document, and the browser recognizes this doc type, and this is just a validation process for the HTML document, so no need to worry about that. So if you will not write the doc type in the beginning, the browser will read the HTML document but it won't be valid. Okay, so you need to give the doc type declaration as doc type space HTML within the bracket. Actually it is not a valid doc type. If you can write this simply, it is okay, but to make it more valid, so you have to write actually this doc type declaration. Here it is. Yes, actually this is as for w3.org, and you have there are many doc type functions, so I would recommend you to use the transitional doc type, as it is very fine and I like it very much. So in the beginning you have to write the doc type declaration, and it is just being read by the browser and validate the HTML document. Now the next thing you're gonna do is to type HTML. This is the start tag, and HTML, this is the end tag. Each HTML document has some tags inside it. So tags means it is just a property value of something in between. Suppose I have write everything, whatever I write in between HTML and slash HTML, so this thing will gonna be published. This thing will be published in the browser. The browser will came to know that the two HTML tags, the start tag and end tag, contain some HTML documents, and that will be shown in your web page. So this is the category. So each tag has a start value and an end value, a forward slash before the tag name. Okay, so in HTML some tag contains the end value and some tag do not contain the end value, but in XHTML you need to write the end value to make it valid. Okay, so in every HTML file the first tag should be a HTML tag, and whatever value will be written inside the tag will be displayed in the web page. So to see that page, first save it with Ctrl+S, and here is the also direct save option. So you save it and then open the folder in which you have saved your document index file, and right click, open with, I wanna like Google Chrome, as it is my favorite browser. Yeah, see, I have written these things. Whatever I have written, it's displayed here. This browser reads the HTML tag and displays the contents whatever written in the HTML tag instead of displaying the HTML tags. Okay, so this browser only displays this portion of values. So this is how this browser reads. So if you want to see the source of this code, then you can right click here and view page source. So here it displays the source whatever is written in the inside the HTML. So so as the basic, I told you, first of all you have to write HTML tag, and inside that you have to write the value. So now what you have to do, now I will put a header value. it is only remained in backend of that page. Okay, so suppose here whenever I have just opened this page, it shows like index.html. So I'm gonna change its title. I'm gonna change it to my first page like this. So for that purpose also I need a heading. So for that I will do something. I will put a header tag. So that is head / head. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do that. Okay, so inside the head tag, whatever I will write will be remained in the backend and will not be displayed inside the HTML page. So that means, suppose here is the HTML page, so whatever I will write in the header file will not be displayed inside the whole page of the HTML. That will remain in backend. So for example, in the head tag, inside the tag I can also write another tag that is called title. Title. So title means, so this is the tag for giving a title to your page. Suppose I'm gonna give, this is my first page. Okay, fine. So what I do, I have created a head tag, means this portion will not be displayed, and inside the head tag I have created a title tag. So this will be remained as my title. So let's see, save it. Okay, now see in your browser. Okay, refresh it. See, this is my first page. You can see the title name was before index.html by default. Now whenever I changed the title as this is my first page, so this changed the title of this page. So this did not change anything inside the HTML document, this only changed the title of that page. Okay, so in my next tutorial I'm gonna tell you some other basic features of this HTML. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and please raise me a comment in my YouTube videos. Thank you. See you later.